Today we have the 2020 Kia Sportage. This is a hybrid electric vehicle. It has done just under 65,000 miles with a manual transmission. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as our automatic headlights. On the right, we have cruise control and automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, we can access map, navigation, our button settings, radio, media, and setup. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below our screen, we have our climate control button, our AC, as well as heated seats on either side, and our heated steering wheel in the middle. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather, black interior, and get a good view of our panoramic roof.